Magdalena, and I'm talking to you from the shelf of the towels, the beach towels. And why did I choose this location? I just thought this is going to be a really, really interesting location where I cannot barely move and I cannot make any adjustments, but it was very hard to get in and it's really hard to move. It is very uncomfortable, and I really wanted to make an interesting video because I wanted to talk to you about location. But let me get out. There wasn't such a great idea. Where you make your videos is kind of very important, because people not only look at you, they look where are you. If you live in a good neighborhood, bad neighborhood, what kind of house you have, what kind of books you have on your shelf. Are those good books or maybe not so good? What are you dressing as? But the location is so important, because in my videos, at least, what I notice is that if I am outdoors and people can see what's going on behind me, and maybe there's some people engaging and seeing me recording videos and they wave or they do some stupid silly things, people like it. And very often I get feedback. Oh, Magdalena, I've seen your video and I've seen those people doing jumpy jacks on the back of your videos. And as well, depending on your content. But for me, what works for me is to be outdoors, as well from the point of view of the viewer and from the point of view of me recording it, because I feel more creative. And as well, sometimes what happens is that if I lose the topic, I can say, oh, look at this, let me show you this building, and this is this building, and this is this building, and this is this neighborhood, and this person lives here. And I can in between I can start thinking, okay, what I was talking about, what information, what message I want to pass. So this is slightly a good trick for gaining some time to think what you want to say if you get lost. So tell me what you think about that, if location is important for you or no, or you prefer to brand yourself with the bookshelf behind you or something else, back screen, green screen, blue screen, maybe polka dot screen or something else. Looking for your opinions.